Hello and welcome to Treasures Market Maker Monday. So today I wanted to show you a little bit more about how I made the skirt and the ribbon belt for Autumn Faery Queen. So let me set this down. Okay, so this is actually one of the simplest sewing projects that you can make. This is an elastic waist skirt. It's actually two skirts because I did basically the petticoat out of a moire taffeta. And then actually my inspiration for the whole costume was this upholstery or drapery material, which is a beautiful sheer with all of these flowers embroidered onto it. So I did two skirts, just cutting the skirts, putting the elastic waist, and then because I was wearing it sometimes over a hoop skirt, sometimes not, right now I have it pinned and bustled. And because this was a last minute thing, I actually literally just have safety pins in here. So I sew, but I was still just using safety pins. So let me see how I can show you that. So because I was only wanting this to be temporary, I used the safety pins. Okay, all right. So what I did was I found the point that I needed to have it pulled off of the floor. And then on the inside, what I've done is I safety pinned on a ribbon. It's actually a wide grosgrain ribbon at the point where I wanted to pull the skirt up. And then I have the other piece actually safety pinned to the waist. So that way you can pull this up. Actually, you can see here, like, so if I pull it up more, I can make it taller or I can lower it. So I did 3 points across the front because I was wearing this then without a hoop at another event and I needed to pull that up and not be tripping on it. So that is how you did the hikes with that. And then because they're two pieces, I actually, looks like I have it safety pinned together so they're not moving as well. And then what I did to add a little bit more layer over it is I made a ribbon belt. So I literally took a piece of ribbon, like regular ribbon, and then I sewed on, you could even hot glue on there, all of these other ribbons to make sort of a curtain. And as you can see, then I hot glued on all of the leaves and acorns, and some of them have come off, so I'll have to find more wearing them. And of course, you only want these across the front because then you don't want to be sitting on these and they will pull. So then the order of dressing is your hoop skirt, petticoat, your skirts, then this belt, and then your corset over it, because otherwise it's hard to tie it up in. But then you just tie it around, but then it gives a really lovely dimensional quality to the skirt, because then you have the skirt, you have all of the layers and the movement, and that's what makes it very interesting. And then I put it at different heights to give just some different interest, you know. But this would be fun. You could do the same concept and you could use mushrooms, you could use green leaves, you could use flower petals, you could use butterflies, you know, whatever little appliques or pieces of fabric that you can find that would make a great fairy outfit. So stop by and see us at Treasures Market. Our store is at 15053 Dido Road in Gulfport, about a half-mile east of Highway 49. And we're open Wednesday and Thursday from 2 to 6, Friday and Saturday from 11 to 3. And if you want a chance to dress up and have fun, add some more magic to your life, join us at the 7th Annual Fairy Court Ball, which will be September 26th in Biloxi, Mississippi. We have about at least 350 people or more come from the region and just enjoy a wonderful evening of dancing, eating, drinking, shopping, having fun with their friends, raising money for nonprofits. Tickets are on sale right now, early bird prices, and July 31st. So make sure you stop and get your tickets, but always stop by the store and then we can help you either create your own outfit, DIY, we can help you style an outfit, or we can help you put together a custom costume as well. So stop by and see us at Treasures Market. Bye.